Aging is the outcome of diverse and complex changes in the body. To understand this process, we need to go deep enough to find the root cause of all bodily changes. From the accumulation of DNA damage to underproduced enzymes, this video will break down some factors that contribute to aging from a cellular level. Number 1. Oxidative stress. The problem of aging begins with the very food we eat. Our cells burn that food and also release toxic chemicals, namely free radicals. Free radicals are bombarding our organelles millions of times this very second, damaging all our cells. The body fights back with a system of defenses. It makes two antioxidant enzymes, catalase and SOD, whose job is to catch these free radicals before they do more damage, and with time, our defense system wears out and becomes less effective, which results in aging. Number 2. Senescent cells. Each time your cell divides, it copies its chromosomes. Because of the way this works, they lose a bit of DNA at the ends. This could lead to serious consequences. So to prevent this disaster, you have long segments of DNA attached to the ends of your chromosomes, called telomeres. That's sort of like aglets at the end of our shoelaces, but they end up shorter at the end of each cell division. In some cells, after a number of divisions, the telomeres are gone, and the cell becomes a senescent cell. Senescent cells don't divide and don't die. Most cells in the body commit a programmed cell suicide when they're damaged, but senescent cells don't. It turns out that they underproduce a protein that tells them when it's time to go. The older you get, the more of them are inside you. They harm tissues around them and are linked to many diseases that accompany old age, like kidney failure and neurodegenerative diseases. Number 3. Lack of NAD+. Cells are made up of millions of parts that tend to overwork and not take care of themselves. When we're young, the processes of destroying, cleaning, and rebuilding them are very efficient. As we age, this process becomes less effective, so the overall workflow is disturbed and results in underproduction of important chemicals. One of these chemicals is coenzyme NAD+. She's the girl that tells cells to look after themselves. Low amounts of it are linked to diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular disease. We as humans still don't fully understand aging, but we're getting there. Significant progress has been made in the last few years. Without a doubt, the field of longevity needs more funding. Someday, we might enjoy growing up to 1,000 years old.